hatching hatching convict cichlid, pink convict cichlid eggs from tube. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keep in Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I actually did some work on my convict cichlid pond, and as always they are prolific in breeding, and I saw some eggs. I saw some eggs. I'm trying to allow the water to be in while I'm recording, right? I saw some eggs in two of the tubes, and I took them out. Well, I took out the tube and I placed into a container with vegetation, hoping that the flies will actually come to fruition. So it will take a while, probably about roughly about 4 days, for me to see some wrigglers, and then now I can confirm that they are good. Okay. In the meantime, if I should place these tube into, let's say, the large tote in which they were origin from. Let's say I actually place the tubes back into the pond, and the convict cichlids become settled and they are going through the tube. Whether or not it's the parents, yes or no, they will actually consume the eggs. Once the tube have been removed from the set space in which it originates, the eggs will be consumed, right? It's like just the game of survival in the space. Now, I lost a few large convict cichlids from this pond. I think it has to do with the water quality. Some of a percentage, I think, slightly higher than normal chlorine existed in the water. I lost about 6. Yes, it's difficult to consider losing 6 convict cichlids. However, the pond needed to be clean. It was not, well, the last time it was like this was probably about 4 or 5 months ago, right? So it will stay like this until probably the end of summer. I'll change water probably once a week or once a month. I'll change probably 50% or 30%, depending on how it looks. But as far as cleaning the space is concerned, it will stay there probably about 4.5 to 5 months before I actually take it out again. Meaning take out all the fish and actually place them, wash the container and place them back. Right now, the pump is on, the filtration basket, and it's going on okay. I think aeration is okay right now with them. So the primary essence of this video is to share with you that once you actually take the tubes out and you're planning to, care for the eggs, you're gonna have to actually remove this from the space, place it elsewhere, oxygenation. By the way, I use the same water that was in the pond originally. That will ensure that I don't have any water issue, quality issue with the babies. As soon as the babies start to swim, I have a pond that is actually filling with water. Pond is being filled with water right now. It will actually be filled and it will remain here for probably about 2 or 3 days. And that will give it enough time to become fish safe. And I'm not sure if I'm going to place the convicts that were in it. That's the baby convicts, are probably about 1/2 inch to about 1 inch convicts. I'm not sure. I don't think I'm going to be placing them back into this. However, they are not large enough to go into large tote, so I am kind of considering where I'm going to place them for the time being. But the babies that are in those tubes, they're going to go here, and we shall see what we shall see. Roughly, that looks like about probably around 60 odd fries. I might get about probably about 40, give or take. Some might die, but that's just it when you are actually keeping, breeding, and caring for fish. Thank you for stopping by, guys. I'll give you an update as to the fries, as to whether or not they come into fruition. Bye bye. Get you next time. Peace out.